Alright, well, it's Tuesday morning, about 6:30, 7 o'clock, I think. Real feel is -5 or -6. Jetta's out here chilling, literally. Didn't plug it in, don't have any way to plug it in, and I'd put a splash of House in it last night before I went in. We're gonna give it the old double chooch. What's the dinging? One more time, just to give it a chance. Oh man, I'm gonna let this thing warm up for like 20 minutes. Maybe get a little heat out of it before I go to work. Ready? Oh boy. I had to have the key down that entire time. Definitely doesn't like that kind. Literally had the starter engaged for like 10 seconds or whatever that was. Definitely did not like that. Well, she started. I'm gonna give her some warm-up time.